that international business is not just a business, it also can influence our community and our planet. So from the assignment, we have the first topic we have discussed is ethics and morals. The first, I mentioned that morals is something we learn from our background, our culture, our religions. It's based on the individual experience. It's sort of like internal experience. And ethics is normally works for company and organizations. It's external standards. So the fact is sometimes these two, morals and ethics, can conflict with each other. So sometimes we have to remind ourselves to make the right decision. And the second topic I have discussed is ethical pluralism. And ethical pluralism is because we come from different culture with different backgrounds. So for when it comes to company, as a manager, we should also consider that aspect. Because we need to understand the fact is our culture is not same, and we should respect that. And then I have discussed the ethically decoupled and ethically transformed. For some company that they say something and they do exactly what they say is ethically transformed. The example I used from my essay is I talked about Patagonia because this is a closed company, and but they are not only pursue the interest, they are trying to persuade their customers to recycle clothes and fixing clothes. And for the ethically decoupled, is just some company that they say something good, but their action is wrong. And utilitarianism is that sometimes the problems for this theory is it can sometimes ignore minorities' interests. The examples I choose to mention in my essay is, for example, for some CEO, they can earn high salary, but sometimes they didn't do anything good for the low income employers. And utilitarianism is the main idea for this theory is it's only consider the most interest and the most people. And then, on the contrary, it's the roles, justice, as fairness theory. So this theory mainly talks about everyone has equal rights, and it also considered the minorities' interest, which the utilitarianism cannot. And the conclusion is I learned that ethics can sometimes are not same as the morals, but also these ideas are important. And then we need to respect different values because nowadays our society is a multicultural society, so consider that is very important. And then we should be truly ethical, not just on paper. Especially when we graduate and when we work as a manager, and then we should use theory to make fair decisions and to make a good business is ethical plus responsible, and that's it.
Just give me the understanding wise, I believe that we have the correct understanding is there with usage. Just give me an example to explain the ethical pluralism in just taking a real company example. Just how do you explain the ethical pluralism?
For example, for the company that I am working for, last month is a very traditional Chinese Chinese moon festival, and we did a huge promotion. But the fact is, when we induct this promotion, which is if you can only spend $3,000 you can earn a free Manuka honey, very expensive one, as a gift. And the fact is, when because we wanted to earn good money from that promotion, but the fact is, when we induct this promotion, I found that there were lots of conflict happened to us. Lots of customers, they argue that we are customers also, and we spend quite good amount of money, like say 1,000 New Zealand dollars, but your standard is too strict. It's not fair. And at that time, as a sales manager, I am busy with these solving situations. So I thought maybe sometimes we need, when we induct a promotion plan, we should also consider the minority group of people's.
How do you justify this? That is the pluralism. Just what's the justification for the pluralism to go? What's the ethical pluralism means? And with this example, how can you justify this example with the pluralism?
Because when we decide what kind of promotion we should choose for this festival, we only think about the company's interests. And at that part, I think that we only think about the most interest and the most people's interest, which because we are only focused on the group customer instead of the individual customer.
Just it is more towards to the utilitarianism. Just so you are searching for more people, benefits goes to more towards to more
Yes.
people. The pluralism is there. The pluralism is for it's not having one particular ethical concern. Just you will be searching or you will be acting and working for a different set of. There's no specific ethical background. You will just have ethical theory you will be using. There are many theories, the many aspects you need to consider.
Yeah.
Right? Just I should be able to explain in that content.
Yeah.
Right? Just your example more towards to a pluralism. But anyway, your understanding is there, just the way that you have explained. But the content is a bit worried, just that is not created by you, it seems. You have taken help from AI or just to generate this content on behalf of you. The characteristics very clear. It is not given by yourself. Just in the future, make sure that you put your own effort to make the presentation. Okay? Thanks.